What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lalit and I currently ride a Royal Enfield 48GT650. Hope you guys have seen my last video. The last video was all about the removal of rear wheel for fixing a flat tire. During fixing a flat tire, I've noticed that the rear wheel hub had some sort of rusting happening. I don't think this task of maintaining a wheel hub is done at a service centers, or they have some institution to it. So I would suggest you guys to, during another service visit, just make sure you guys are like notifying them to perform this task at service center. Just ask them to clean and grease your wheel hub. It's very important. The drawbacks of not maintaining your wheel hub is you'll end up changing your bearings pretty quick, or you might damage your whole wheel hub overall. At least you need to perform your maintenance task at least every year, or at least after every monsoon, I would say. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to perform a wheel hub overhaul and maintain it by yourself. Also, a couple of owners from the RE Twins of Bangalore group have asked me what the process of removal of a front wheel. Removing a front wheel is pretty easy compared to your rear wheel. I'll just show you how to remove your front wheel too, the same video. Tools needed to remove front wheel: you require 24mm spanner, 16mm spanner, 6mm Allen key to remove the 4-pinch bolt, piece of cardboard, pair of gloves, a jack if you don't have a center spanner. First thing, we need to make sure that the front wheel is off the ground. So let's do that. We have a front wheel off the ground, the perfect jack. So now we have a front wheel off the ground. First, remove the 4-pitch bolt with help of 6mm Allen key. Once you remove the 4-pitch bolt, next thing is to remove your axle. Take your 16mm spanner, lock the axle head and unbolt the other side. Unbolt the nut of the axle. There you go, we have removed the axle. The front wheel is removed. So let's get on the overhauling and maintaining the wheel hub. Just place a cardboard. The reason behind this is just in case someone engages the brake, the piston or the plate doesn't get jammed out. So you can just clean these. The help of a degreaser. You can just clean these fork ends. Just clean this with a degreaser. Things you need to do your wheel hub overall maintenance requires a couple of things such as petrol, WD-40, toothbrush, grease, a piece of rag or a paste. First, with the help of petrol, just soak this parts. You can use any degreaser or a petrol. I'm using a petrol as of now. Put it inside the hub. You can spray it on the other side. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes aside. At the same time, you can just clean the front wheel components like your axle, 4-pitch bolts, paste. Just soak them too soak them also in petrol or a degreaser. Just give 5-10 minutes. Let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes. The front wheel components to soak in petrol. Now we are going to clean the front wheel hub. Take a toothbrush, just scrub it inside the hub. You can spray some WD-40 take a clean rag and just clean it off. Let it dry. At the same time, you can just check for any kind of play with your wheel bearing, any kind of abnormal play. So just rotate it gently. I don't see any kind of play, so the wheel bearing is good enough. Check the other side of the wheel bearing. There is no play again, so this is good enough. Just scrub it. Wipe it off with a clean rag. The same way you have to clean your rear wheel too. Good to grease and fix it back. Very soon I'll be making a separate video for cleaning and maintaining your disc bobbins. Into grease. Take a grease and grease your wheel up. Make sure you're greasing inside between the hub and between the wheel bearings. That's where most of the grease is required. When I'm greasing the wheel up and its components, it's time to fix it back. So once everything is done, just let's go for a small ride. Check for the ABS sensors, the speedometers and everything. My next video is all about how to clean and loop your drive chain. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Stay home, stay safe. In case if you venture out, ride safe. See you in the next video.